Seconds are going up.
Okay. Today we're going to make my version of chicken cacciatore. These are the ingredients. We're going to have some flour, whole garlic. I have red onion, but you could also get around. And I'm also going to put right here these things. Some black olives without the pit, and some artichoke hearts, marinated artichoke hearts. And that's going to be our ingredient, and the chicken, and also some cannellini beans, white kidney beans. Some of the herbs we're going to have: paprika, oregano, salt, pepper, and some tomato sauce. So first, I'm going to start by sauteing. I'm going to cut that in piece because I want to keep this is like a spicy Italian sausage. I'm going to start with that because I want to keep the fat from the sausage to cook the chicken in. It'll bring it more flavor. While the pan is getting hot, I'm going to put some things in my flour here to give it some flavor. Put some oregano. Salt and pepper. Be generous. What else? Oh, paprika. This is going to give the chicken a nice flavor. It's going to get all warm. These are chicken thigh, just part of the leg, the side. It's still a bit frozen, but that's okay. You're going to dip them in there. You want to coat them very well with the flour. If your chicken is wet, you probably want to dry it a little bit first. When you start cooking it, if it has too much water in it, it's going to start to splatter and you'll burn yourself. The more flour you add, the more crispiness you're going to have to your chicken. Alright, sausage, I'm going to put in the pan. Now, if you have a choice, if your store has like regular chicken and like what do they call it? What am I looking for? Organic chicken.
Free range chicken.
Free range chicken. The better the meat, the better the dish. Some of the chicken they sell at the store here, it's really so fatty that you can feel it when you eat it that it's not good quality chicken. Always wash your hands when you handle the chicken because you don't want to contaminate any of the vegetables. Okay. Alright, I'm going to start cooking I'm going to wait until this is done, then we're going to start the chicken. So for right now, we'll just take a couple minute break. Come on.
Is it filming?
Yeah. Alright, the sausage is cooking. Add a little bit of olive oil though. It cooks better or faster. Let's also the splash because there's water in the sausage. Now while this is doing that, I'm going to start picking some of the onions and vegetable in this pot here. Ooh, this one's back. Very useful tool to screen. Save you from burning your eyes. Olive oil. And we're just going to start cooking the onion. We'll cook the onion for a couple of minutes, then we'll add the olives and the artichoke. Olives I'm going to cut in half. They just look better when they're cut. I like the presentation is better, I think. And make for more olives. Easier to digest. That sausage is almost ready. We got the onion cooking. Now this is red onion, but you can use regular onion, that'll work just the same. What you can do now, I can transfer the sausage with the onions here. You want to keep that fat that comes from the sausage to cook your chicken. It's going to bring a lot of flavor to it. Chicken. Again, be careful not to get the... You want the chicken to come out nice and crisp. And don't cook too many pieces at a time, because if you do, it'll get watery and you're not going to get the crispiness you're looking for. Well, I'm going to add the olives and the garlic. I left the garlic whole, so that if you don't really like the taste of garlic, it's easier to take out of your plate. That's good. Artichoke will wait until the last minute. Try to get some of the water out of it. We're doing good so far. Let's see what the chicken looks like. More. That's probably about maybe 2 to 3 minutes on each side. On a nice hot pan. We'll let that cook, and then we'll come back and we'll put everything together. So we'll take a pause for now. Right, and I just went to get some fresh parsley from my garden. If you're lucky enough to have parsley in your garden, you could use some of it. And I'm going to put that in our sauce for flavor. Just roughly chop it. I also have some basil. I have two kinds of basil. The regular kind and the Greek basil, which has nice peppery flavor. A little trick when you want to cut something, try to roll it into a ball, and then you just go bang bang. That's cut. A lot easier. There we go. That's good enough. Our chicken is cooking. This is part of the chicken here. Nice and crispy. Like this on the side. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, look at that. Alright, we'll put that aside. And that is so tasty. Kind of rich. You gotta find something like this is great. Well, let's see. If I
That's dangerous.
that's dangerous. All right, we're gonna deglaze here, or we're gonna deglaze the sausage and pepper, onion, and olive, some white wine. I just put the artichoke in it. About a cup, I guess. Cup of white wine. And cook the bottom, scrape the bottom a little bit. Get all the little bits of flavor. Boil down a little bit. Then put our parsley and basil. That smells good. Let's see what this is really. Oh, that's just fat. Yeah, that's just fat.
Quand tu vides la canne, tu peux le mettre dans la boîte.
That's gonna melt. I have some kidney beans. We can add that now. That's right now. Actually, you know what? We can add all the ingredients right now. All right, that's enough. I put about a half a can of kidney beans, and I have 8 chicken thigh. Now you can bring the camera here. Alright, the fisher just give me an idea with the kidney beans. I hate for the rest of it to go to waste, so I'm just going to mash it and add it to the sauce, and add thickness to the sauce actually. Where's my okay? Alright, so we're just going to cook this here for a while. Now, the next thing we're going to add to our pot is our rosemary. Just going to now you might want to keep an eye on it to make sure that it doesn't get too dry. If it does, just add a little bit of water. And I'm just going to cover that now that it's simmering. Cover. And then we'll come back in about a half hour and see how it goes. All right?